Hi, welcome in this new place. It's the second one. I'm very happy to see you again because we studied in previous week. It's about I don't remember very well. It's about usabakazi to look for work. It's very interesting to follow all the lesson and also all the analysis. You will see there are a lot of things to know in Kirundi. It's not a simple language that you need to I need to know this word. What is this word and what is meaning Kirundi and after to know like that. No, no, no. It's not like that. It's not like English or other language. You need to have yes special training, specific training in order that you can speak more and you must be curious. In these lessons, you will see again. Each Saturday we work like that, but it's in order that you notice that this kind of courses is needed to do each weeks. And I will we will speak together. It's not also just a lesson about Kirundi. It's like I will go far in Kirundi and I will give some tricks that you can apply to know by yourself Kirundi to continue because I said I need to say that now and I will say it again that Kirundi is a language that you need to practice every day and try to be curious. If you don't have this curiosity, you will you will fall down. Okay, let's go with the first dialogue.
Mwaramutse, nje kuvuza umuntu yagize isanganya. Ego, kaze. Urihira ngaha amahera kugira ushobore kubonana n'umuganga abijejwe. Nta kibazo. Ko uhejeje kuriha, mujane hariya ku muryango utangura. Hariyo umuganga ucumuha uru rukaratasi rwemeza ko warishe aca amuvura. Ego murakoze. Mwaramutse, nje kuvuza umuntu yagize isanganya. Ego, kaze. Urihira ngaha amahera kugira ushobore kubonana n'umuganga abijejwe. Nta kibazo. Ko uhejeje kuriha, mujane hariya ku muryango utangura. Hariyo umuganga ucumuha uru rukaratasi rwemeza ko warishe aca amuvura. Ego murakoze.
Okay, about the analysis of this dialogue, first I want to speak about the general context. It's very important if someone is coming to the hospital and with another people, it's like me, I'm together with another people. I want to go to treat him in the hospital. And then I come, I said, yes, these people, this guy, yes, I come here to treat, to cause to treat to this guy because he did an accident. And after they said, okay, welcome, you can pay here if you want to see the doctor. He said, yes, no problem. And after he said that because you have finished to pay, you can take the people you are together, the people who are sick or bad, not sick, but it's like accident, and you can go to the door, the next door. There's the doctor, and he said you need to give him this paper. Then you understand that he give a paper. It's like someone come and give something and go, and you need to go there. And this paper show that you pay. It's like okay, someone come, yeah, okay, you pay, you already pay. Up, he give you a paper, and you need to go to the doctor. And after is okay, yes, thank you. What you need to know about that? It's like it's very important to know the context without to see image. It's like to listen and to understand the context with only words. What I want to see first is about kuriha. It means to pay in English, payer in French. Uriha. If I said, you see here, uriha, you said you pay. But if I said urihira nga, you pay here, it's like I include. It's not like if you said it's the same, you pay, but you cannot use urihanga. Nibishoboka. It's not possible. It's not possible to say that. You said urihira nga. Because it's like I put a localization. It's where I will pay in the Gaha is here. Other example, if I said, how much do you pay? I said Uriangai. But if I said, where do you pay? Urihiranhe. It's not the same thing. Also, what I wanted to say, it's about Kurihira. We saw to pay for, to pay it. We already saw that. In a previous, if you follow all the lesson, you will understand what I said. It's something that to pay for. For example, if I said you pay for me, undihira. If I decompose this, is who? It's you. Pay for me. You just to put n here. It's like for me, and rihira is to pay for me. That is very important to know. If you said a localization, urihira nga, you pay here, you hit here. It's not the same conjugation. It's not like this. You need to use this this transitive preposition. It's like the verb propositional that I called in previous lesson. Then you need to use this form to speak. After, you can see here kugira ushobore. Donc kugira ngo ushobore, c'est plus un subjonctif. It's working with a subjunctive. Is that why you use this comme this a become he. And this is for said so that it's not like a verb. You can say kugira ushobore. It's very important to know that. Also, this abijejwe is kubonana n'umuganga abijejwe. It's mean the doctor in French is like le docteur qui est en charge de cela. The doctor would take care of this, of that. It's like the doctor of that service. Because if you go to the doctor, someone, if you did an accident, you will not go to the people who in pediatry or I don't know for your eye. No, you will go to the doctor. Umuganga abijejwe. After that, ko wejeje. The ko, if you put ko in first, it's using why. It's not why. It's like because you finish to pay, mujani, you go together with your sick one, the man with the accident. Mujani ariya. Go there with your guys. Ku muryango utangura. The door is very important. Ku muryango. To the door. The starting door. And you see here, umuryango, in period, you said, imiryango. And then it's because it's very important. You cannot say umuryango atangura, apana, umuryango utangura. because it's verb of class 3 and it's mu, and then you need to said you. It's mean at the door, or the starting door. This is Kirundi. The last one I wanted to show with you is about uchumuha. Uchumuha. Here, it's like this form is used like it's not for future of today. It's very good to use it. In Kirundi, it's you need to understand this kind of conjugate use. When you speak, don't speak like translation. For example, here ko uwejeje kuriya mujane ariya ku muryango utangura, because you finish to pay, go there in the first starting door. There, the doctor will give you this. You will give to the doctor this paper. This paper, also this paper, prove that you pay, and we can go there, and after the doctor can take care of him. But it's very important to see with two lines of sentences. There's a lot of forms like P2 relative, P2 relative that you need to understand. That is very important to know. And then uchumuha achamuvura. It's like you can say gucha pass, but after it's like consecutive action. It's like first you go to the door with the next door. After uchumuha. After you give him this paper. After hacha amuvura. After that, he will take care of him. First, you go to the door. After, you give him the paper, and after, he will take care of the man who did accident. That is how I need to know, how you need to know to understand this dialogue. You can go further if you have some question. Don't hesitate to ask in the group. We are there for that, and no problem. We will see now the next dialogue.
Namahoro muganga. Namahoro. Umugwayi amiriwe gute? Uyu muntu yagize isanganya, umuduga uramugonga kandi yababaye, ariko ntigeze ava amaraso. Nashaka mudufashe mu muvure. Muzana aha ndamurabe kugira ndamuvure. Nta handi hantu yoba yababaye. Raba nawe muganga, bivanye n'ukuntu ubona ameze, niwe womenye ikibazo yagize mu mubiri. Egome, reka dukore ibishoboka. Mwoba mukoze. Nivyo umugwayi yababaye, ariko nibisanzwe. Ntugire ubwoba, turamuvura. Namahoro muganga. Namahoro. Umugwayi amiriwe gute? Uyu muntu yagize isanganya, umuduga uramugonga kandi yababaye, ariko ntigeze ava amaraso. Nashaka mudufashe mu muvure. Muzana aha ndamurabe kugira ndamuvure. Nta handi hantu yoba yababaye. Raba nawe muganga, bivanye n'ukuntu ubona ameze, niwe womenye ikibazo yagize mu mubiri. Egome, reka dukore ibishoboka. Mwoba mukoze. Nivyo umugwayi yababaye, ariko nibisanzwe. Ntugire ubwoba, turamuvura.
Okay, before to give the translation of the text, I wanted to come back in this form we saw to get together. If I wanted to say it, to work, but yes, I work. I work with you. Yes, this form is like you need to know. Okay, I will put 30 like that. Okay, I work with you. You said that you know that the verb to work is like ukora. If I said I work, no kuvuga nakora. Na gukora nawe ushobora travailler ensemble, mais nawe ndakora nawe turakorana. Eh, eh. But if you want to say I use gukorana. If I want to say je travaille là, you will say ndakorera là. You will use this prepositional verb like used to is the name that I gave in the previous video. It's very important to know that it's like if you want to speak a good Kirundi and to be understood with the other people, you need to understand that. And let's go. Here I wanted to first to go with the definition, with the translation. Then the guys arriving in the cabinet of the doctor, and the doctor asks how the guy was sick. Good. How is feeling? After the guys answer that yes, this guy did the accident with a car knocked him, and yes, a lot of pain, but no blood come out of him. And he asked help to help him. After he said, "I'll go there," you bring him there, and he will take care of him. And after his house, they don't nowhere he has pain. After the guy said, "Rock, because it's you, the doctor." In a way, it's you. You can know the problems in his body. After the doctor said, "Yes, let me we will work the possible thing." I've said yes, Moba Mukotse. And after this, it's like another sentence is like sometimes it's happening. It's like, oh, okay, yes, this guy is Yababai. Yes, pain, but it's not something that you need to be afraid, because we can take care of him. After he said, "Okay, thank you." It's like the first part is like salutation after his examination, and the last part is like, okay, after the examination, or it's not something weird. What I want you to see here is about ibishoboka. Ibishoboka is like things that are possible, les choses qui sont possibles. But you see here is kushobok, the verb kushobok. If you want to say the thing that are not possible, you said ibidashobok. For example, you can say, you said me to do thing is not possible. Umbwire kugira ibintu bidashoboka. Ibidashoboka. Kugira ibintu ibidashoboka. Sinshaka kwishiramo ibintu. Ndavuga uyu gusa ibidashoboka. And by hiding that, you can use a negation of these first sentences. this is something that, which we can see in other sentences. For example, ibisanzwe. Mubisanzwe is like mubisanzwe. If you said mubisanzwe, in the normal thing, in the final thing that are findable, is the normal thing. I translate like that to show you, because here you can see here. Sorry. Here gusanga is to find. And ibisanzwe to be gusangwa is to be findable. You understand? It's something in French we would say être trouvable. And it's the same like that's what I said. Another example is like something that you need to know, because you can do a lot of sentences by using that. And yes, Burundian people can use some word you don't understand, and if you don't speak like them, it will be difficult to communicate. And in our formation, it's something that you can have. That's why I put you on. I push you to come in the formation with us. After ntiyigeze ava amaraso. Yes, it's no blood. Like no blood height go out of his body, is like go out. And this form is also, it's like in French jamais, but you can use it to say jamais. I've never seen her, but in the tradition kwigera, arriver, to arrive at, it's like sinigeze mbona mwana wiwe. It's like I never seen her shirt. It's another form you use to say never, but it's not a translation like how you said never in Kirundi. It's like the way you put each word together, you can speak Kirundi. That's why it's very important to follow this kind of lesson, to use and to be able to use this kind of form. That is okay. In the exercise, you will see some exercise that you can put in WhatsApp group. We will see that in the last part. Now we will go to the discussion, the dialogue 3, and after to the exercise and the vocabulary.
Ni sawa? Egome ni sawa buhoro buhoro. Wiyumva gute? Ndacababara mu kuguru no ku kuboko. Ntugire ikibazo, twakuvuye. Niwafata imiti neza uzokira. Murakoze. Ego, genda rero mugure iyi miti kandi uzoyinwe ukurikije uru rutonde ndabahaye. Ikindi naco uzoze urafungura imbere yo kunwa imiti, wibuka no gufata akanya ko kuruhuka. Murakoze cyane muganga, tuzovyubahiriza. Ego, murakoze namwe. Mugire urugendo rwiza. Ni sawa? Egome ni sawa buhoro buhoro. Wiyumva gute? Ndacababara mu kuguru no ku kuboko. Ntugire ikibazo, twakuvuye. Niwafata imiti neza uzokira. Murakoze. Ego, genda rero mugure iyi miti kandi uzoyinwe ukurikije uru rutonde ndabahaye. Ikindi naco uzoze urafungura imbere yo kunwa imiti, wibuka no gufata akanya ko kuruhuka. Murakoze cyane muganga, tuzovyubahiriza. Ego, murakoze namwe. Mugire urugendo rwiza.
Okay, in the last dialogue, what you need to know, it's about someone that then it's okay. Now, so if the guy Spain is speaking, and he said yes, it's okay, not good, it's not a little bit. Vyumva gute? How you feeling? How are you feeling? I have again pain in my feet and in my and on my arm. And as I said, yes, don't be afraid. We already take care of you. Now you need to take this the medicine, and you will be good again after. Thank you. And as I said, go to buy it and take it with this ordinance with this paper I give you. And after, you need to know that you need to first to eat before to take the medicine, and also take time to rest you, to take time to rest. Thank you, doctor. I will follow everything. I will respect that. Can you understand in this dialogue is someone is the painful guy is speaking, and doctor answered to him. What I wanted to know to speak about it's about kumva. Kumva. Sometimes you use like to understand. Yes, sometimes you can use it like to understand. But it's also used to say to hear. I hear you to understand. And here is used like to feel. It's like kwiyumva is like how you is to feel, but it's not it's diumva. It's like yumva gute. How you feel yourself, how you heard yourself, to hear yourself. It's like s'entendre soi-même in French. S'entendre soi-même, se comprendre comment tu te sens et se sentir. Mais c'est dans le sens où comment tu t'entends toi-même. It's in the meaning of it, how you heard yourself. I heard myself is like that. Because it's you are in your own body, and you can hear if you have pain here. It's like yumva good. It's very important to follow this kind of speaking use of native people, and it's that you will see in formation is that a good challenge for you to do that and to follow that. After that is about that Shababa. It's something that you need also to know. Just to use that if I have pain again. I can't yet. It's something that you already and it's not finished. Do it. It's like j'ai encore mal again. It's just by adding this cha in the middle that you will have this again, encore. After niwapata neza imiti uzokira. Here is ni wapata. If you take good, sometimes you can write like that. If you take good, the medicine, you will be good again. This is it's just this kind of truth I wanted to say. If you take good, and after this one, it's about akanya kuruhuka. It's like if you already know all the thing about classes. If you don't know about classes, if you are there, I don't understand. You need to understand that It's like a kanya kanomano. Normally you need to use like that. But here you can remove E and you put O. And after the last one, it's tutokyo iba irita. It's like we will respect, we will follow, you will make respect this thing. This thing is the thing that the doctor already said. It's very interesting to see this decomposition. And also in the dialogue, I put kubaha, to respect, and kuba, to respecter, pardon, in French. Kubairiza, c'est faire respecter. Voilà. Et aussi, and also you can say ukurikije. Ukurikije is gukurikiza, it's not gukurikira. And this difference of gukurikira and gukurikita, I want to, that I will not explain to you. I prefer that we will work on a WhatsApp group. It's like what the difference between gukurikira and gukurikita. When you write, we will write a text using gukurikira, no gukurikita. And also another text in the exercise, kuriira na gusanga. And after, if you have other questions that you decide to ask us on WhatsApp, but it's like that. I think it's very interesting to know all the vocabulary in this book. And if you didn't study the other part and the first lesson, it would be also good that you can take time to study like with other. Okay. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask me, and we'll see next week. And the last audio is like listen. It's a summary in Kirundi. I want that you'll be able to also to summarize like that in Kirundi. Okay. See you soon.
Ndabahaye ikaze kandi abantu twese twariko turakurikirana kino kiganiro. Turumvise yuko hari umuntu yagiye kwa muganga aherekeje uwundi muntu yagize isanganya yuko umuduga wamugonze. Nukuvuga yuko aratubariye intambuko zimwe turumvise n'ibiganiro bagiraniye kwa muganga. Bisigura yuko igihe cyose rero tugiye kwa muganga tumanza kuvuga ico twifuza canke kuvuga neza ibitugenza iyo tubonye aho dushikira. Hari aho bita kuri reception canke kuri accueil, niho hantu dushikira ubwa mbere kugira ngo tuvuge neza ico dushaka, tuvuge ico twifuza aho hantu kwa muganga. Nukuvuga yuko kuri accueil canke kuri reception aho batwakirira ubwa mbere niho baca baguha urutonde canke niho baca bakwereka aho wivuza. Nkuko ngaha twabibonye mu kiganiro ca mbere, nukuvuga ko baci bamwereka aho agenda kwivuza ku muganga ajejwe ico kibazo uwo muntu yarafise. Bivuga yuko hajye rero dushikira ubwa mbere kwa muganga niho batwereka umuganga ajejwe kuvura ingwara kumbure twoba dufise mu mubiri. Ikindi naco igihe cyose tumaze kubonana n'umuganga biradusaba ko tuganira neza n'umuganga tukamubwira ikibazo dufise, tukamubwira byose atakintu na kimwe twibagiye kugira ngo umuganga nawe atuvure neza. Nico gituma rero inyuma yo kuvugwa n'umuganga urashobora kumubaza arakabazo wumva kakubakiye, urashobora kumubaza kuko nico umuganga abereyeho kugira ngo atwishure anatuvure neza bivanye n'ingene tuba tumerewe mu mubiri. Rero ico no rangiriza ko nuko dukwiye gukurikiza ivyo umuganga aba yatubwiye canke tukavyubahiriza, kuko iyo udakurikije amategeko y'umuganga canke ngo wubahirize ivyo muganga yakubwiye bituma wivura nabi nimba ari imiti yakwandikiye utubahirije ibyo mwavuganye n'umuganga ntukira neza uca usanga n'ubundi mu mubiri gumana ikibazo ariko twige kumvira abaganga kugira ngo dukire kandi tuganire nabo neza murakoze.